Hey guys, welcome back to VolatilityTV here. I just wanted to do a quick video here showing you guys my profits for today. Today is July 29th, and as you can see here, my profit is $104.70. Absolutely amazing. Another amazing day. Usually I try to aim for $100, but even if I don't get it necessarily, that's fine. Today I actually did 30 trades, so you can see right here where it says 30, and yeah, again, I trade Amazon, so ticker symbol AMZN. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so so you can see here in the morning, I'm just showing my trades here on this channel. I make sure and show everything that I do so far for this account, and you can see that in the morning here, I usually, again, it's sometimes you can time it, sometimes you just have to be patient, because again, if you look at my previous videos, I would continue stressing that you have to wait for the morning sell-off. Again, usually it doesn't happen, but most of the time it happens. So you can tell right here that I absolutely just didn't wait until it sold off and then for me to get in and then get out. However, I did well on my first trade. So when I did that, I actually came out with maybe, I think, like $40 or so. So that was fine. And then for my second trade here, after it starts selling off here, I got in again thinking that we were going in for a bounce, a reversal right here, but that did not happen. So you have to be careful, with false breakouts, because as you can see right here, here's pretty much where we have a resistance line coming up right here. So it absolutely did not break through that, and we got rejected. So therefore I had to hold on a little bit. And if you take a look at the VWAP, like, it tells you what supposedly what's supposed to be the highs are. So this line here should be the highs and where the lows are. So I pretty much waited. What you should do is you should cut your losses, if you missed out. However, being an experienced trader that I am, I was able to just hold on a little bit and then wait for it to pick up again. And here's where I sold out at 30.34. So another 10 shares right here, 30.34. So that would be my second trade. And then moving along here, you can see we absolutely went down. It just went crushing down. I just want to point out that today actually, I think it's happening right now as we speak. Congressmen, they're meeting with all the big tech, so which means Amazon, Apple, Google, and Facebook. So they're meeting with Congress today. So while that was going on, we had a huge sell-off. We had all this going on right here. So a lot of people were just selling, and a lot of stuff that was going on in the market today. So as we went along, I saw another volume spike. So again, you have to pay attention to the volume spikes right here, and you see right here where there's a huge volume spike. Again, this is usually my style of trading. So once I get in, I get out right here. So this would be my absolute third trade, bringing us to $104.70. And yeah, and then we had another sell-off right here, and then it just continued. And again, I call it a day, and that's it. If this last trade here was on the bottom, I wouldn't have taken it, because it would just mean a solid rejection, just keep going down. It'll just continue selling off, and so if you take a look at the overall market, what can actually assist you /NQ, we can see that the market itself is making higher highs, which helps other companies go forward in terms of helping other companies go up in the trading market for today. So it's just a beautiful thing. So yeah, let me know in the comment section down below, how did you guys do today? Are you guys actually traded today? Are you guys are you a person who just investing, you hold long? Yeah, let me know in the comment section. And yeah, that's pretty much my my video for today. If you guys like it, make sure to smash that notification bell, subscribe. Man, you know what to do, man. You know what to do. This is YouTube, man. You know what to do. Peace.